explore the magic of Adobe Lightroom, a photography powerhouse that simplifies sorting, enhancing, and exporting your photos. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, mastering Lightroom is a journey worth taking. As in this guide, I'll be using Lightroom Classic, the go-to for beginners. Let's get started on your photo editing adventure. Lightroom Classic is your photography ally designed for seamless photo organization and editing. It excels in 3 key areas: sorting, editing, and exporting your precious photos. Organizing your photos into Lightroom reveals your computer's file structure on the left side of the screen. Existing photos won't auto-appear. You must import them. Lightroom offers versatile organization tools such as star ratings, flags, album collections. It's not just about location. It's about curating your visual story. Imagine you've captured a gem of a photo, want to find it easily later. Lightroom lets you mark it with a 5-star rating, a flag, or add it to a best photos collection. The possibilities are endless, providing you with the freedom to organize your gallery your way. Editing your photos. So once your photos are neatly organized, it's time to unleash your creativity. Lightroom's editing capabilities allow you to refine your images, adjusting everything from exposure to color balance. We'll dive into the art of editing in more detail later, so stay tuned for the magic you can weave with your photos. The final step is sharing your masterpieces with the world. Lightroom simplifies the exporting process, letting you send out your edited photos in just the right size for any platform, whether it's social media or printing. In essence, Lightroom Classic stands as the photographer's ultimate toolkit. It goes beyond being a program. It's a creative space where your photos come to life, telling your unique visual tale, ready to embark on your journey of photo mastery. Let's explore Lightroom together.